Okay. Top 10, no, 15 ratchet names. Number 1, Bonquiqui. Number 2, Rashana Nisha. Number 5, wait. Number 3, Ray Shona. Number 4, Keontae Nisha. Number 5, Keontae Butts. Help. I got bronchitis. Hold up.
Hey,
no,
I watched that video.
Whenever we on.
I watched that video. Ain't nobody got time for that. She was like, I went to I can't have my room to go get a free.
Okay, we're not talking about videos to watch. We're talking about ratchet names. Number, whatever we on. Okay. Whatever.
We're number 9.
Number is. Don't shush me.
We're on number.
Sarah.
We have number.
Sarah.
Her name is Bonquiqui.
Her name is Sarah.
Mahaganisha middle name is Elifanisha.
We're on number 15 now.
Quisha.
We're on number 15.
Nicole Nicola.
Nikila.
Makaya.
Lakaya.
Hey, I'm fighting.
Mahogany Ray.
Can I stop?
Zionisha. Bakara Lisha. Nazmira Isha. Raisha. Taisha.
We already did 15.
Whoa. Keontae. I think I said that already. LaToyota.
Can I stop it?
Toyota.
Can I stop? It's been 2 minutes, 5 seconds.
Why would you say that? Now you just messed up the video.